Hi guys, these are some season 4 Shopkins. It's a 20 pack and I'm going to open them today. Let's get opening. Whoa! Get. Oh, there's some in here. Okay. And you get less behind? Nope. Here are the Shopkins that I got just now. Except there's still some hiding. Whoa, that's a big one. This wirely seen, 2 of them that I have. Okay, let's get these out. Here's one. Let's get her name. Where are you, little girl? It looks like a belt. Where the heck is it? Okay, she's a boat, so she would be, oh, found her. So, little, what's this?
Pet collar.
It says, little pet collar, and there's a little detail right there. So, that's a pet collar. Okay, so you just keep her list out. We have, she is a double, and she is a double, and at the end of the video, I'm going to bring all the rest of my Shopkins. Hi, Jill. Hi. What are you doing, puppy? Is she in the video? You're a jelly juice. Her. Whoop. Her. Her. Let's see what her name is. Where would you be, little girl? Party. Where the heck would she be? Would she be on this side? Oh, yes, she's in here.
Sasha belt.
Sasha belt.
Sasha belt.
What is it?
Sasha belt.
Sasha belt. This is Sasha belt. Again, I think. Okay, so. Let's get the flat one. I know this, so let me find you. You'd be in here, I'm guessing. Yep, you are. But where are you? Because I know you're in food groups. Hi, baby. Food group. Got it. Whoop your foot. Can I find you? That's the problem. What is this? Pet shops. What are being pets?